Welcome to TradeProFX. Today we will explore trading even odd contract types in Deriv. So this is a popular high profit area, but it involves very significant risks, especially if you are unfamiliar with the strategies. So I'll be guiding you through some effective techniques using indicators like the first one, the Double EMA, the Coppock Curve, and the Mass Index. So just go to your indicators tab and put all the indicators. Lastly, the mass indicator, the mass index indicator. So you can see how they are and how they appear. So explaining about the even odd trading strategy. Number one, it's predicting whether the last digit of an asset tick will appear even or odd. I hope you know that, and they have very high income. So payout, so you can see this candlestick form in currently here. Before it completes and we get into the next candlestick, go to your trading board, set everything as it is very appropriately. We will be trading the even. Once this candlestick shows a red bearish candlestick and passes the double EMA like that, run your board for trading even digits. I hope we are together. So you can see the candlestick forming currently is bearish, so it's the appropriate time you can run for even trading even. So I run my boat, and don't run or don't overtrade. Remember these key indicators. You can see the second win, and then let's see whether we can win the third win. And first I cross the boat. So let me cross the boat and explain some key things about the double EMA. So the double EMA makes very it shows the smooth out market trends and helps to pinpoint the entry points of trading either even odd. So when I mention about the double EMA, that's the reason I've told you. Whenever it shows that the candlesticks forming below the EMA or past slightly the EMA as that candlestick we have traded, you can enter a trade like that as I've entered that one. So close, because the candlestick might retrieve upward. So you trade whenever you see the red candlestick forming below the EMA or past the EMA. So with that, you can see those candlesticks, the area marking here shows they are below the EMA. And looking at the Coppock curve, you can see it shows a good direction moving to the downside. What else? The mass index showing we are moving to the downside. So you must be very patient and have a precise key. So trading even odd is very profitable, but requires a solid understanding and caution. So you can see currently the candlestick has changed to bullish, so you can not enter that there is no entry point to enter at that point. Why? It shows a green candlestick. So with this, you have to be very careful. Look for all the indicators are aligning together, especially the Coppock candlestick, and you can see we have 3.04 USD. So if you are a good trader, you would already have exited, because you have 4 contracts on. Assuming you enter hard trade USD, currently you will have over 200 USD, but it's just because you people told me always to show you to trade using small accounts. That's why I've started growing this 0.80 USD. It's less $1. So you can see we are at a profit of 3.04 USD. So as a good trader, you have over traded currently, so you just exit. That's an entry. So let me run once, and before that candlestick exit, so we'll close the boat. You can see it shows a bullish, so you have to be very, very careful unless the candlestick is trying to retest as it is currently doing at 22 seconds, and you can see 19 seconds it's trying to retest to the downside. So that's the key point, the key area you have to enter the trade. So use the market showing for at least they are a bit volatile, and like this volatility 10-1s, and let's wait for this candlestick. You can see it's showing a bit change, showing as if it will move upwards. So we have no issue when it moves upwards past this area. You can see how it's behaving. If it goes down, we run our boat. If it goes up, we can just avoid trading. That's an entry you should consider entering. But let's see how the candlestick moves. You can see the candlestick is trying to move now, trying to retest upwards. So it's very risky to get into such a trade. So meaning what I was talking about, we will just be waiting for a good I usually tell you, trade what you see. So basically there is a doji candlesticks. There's a very a good doji candlestick. You can see before this candlestick, which is forming currently, there is a doji candlestick showing an indecision of the market. So the market might tend to move upward. So what do? You leave to trade or exit completely trading. And remember, we are trading the even odd, and the even odd is very, very essential to understand how to trade the even odd. It has high payouts, but you should have very high caution, and it comes as a very high risk. So be very careful on the analysis and be disciplined. Those keys are very essential. Always be disciplined. Like now, you can see we cannot trade. Why? Because of the doji candlestick we saw there. So avoid these doji candlesticks. They may lead you to losses. And sometimes trading even also requires further assistance. So if you at here, I just give you appropriate strategy. 70% of when I mention, I give you approximately 70% of the strategy. You have to research for the 25% for a more comprehensive and complete understanding of the market. You can see the candlestick is moving up. So currently we cannot try to enter the market. So I'll still wait for the market to go and form the bearish candlesticks. As I complete, we want to see this kind of movement, a bearish candlestick showing such kind of movement. So currently I'll just be waiting for the market, having the patience to wait. So for beginners, you should first practice on demo accounts before you get comfortable to go trade on your real account. So just reminding you that learning and defining your technique before investing heavily is the best thing you could ever do. So keep having and grasping that knowledge, and always as I've advised you, before you proceed to a real market, try it on your demo account. So guys, let's change this to 64.60. So this is the stake. So I'll just change my stake and make one last shot, and we see how it goes. If this current trend, this current candlestick forming, you can see it's bearish. If it is slightly shows a downtrend and crosses there, you can see it is almost crossing. So I can enter a trade 21.20. Unfortunately, see it is retrieving upwards. So I won't risk because I'm risking the whole amount. Unfortunately, you can see it's moving up, and I have been waiting for this to make one sure entry. Unfortunately, let's see the next candlestick and whether we can get into it. It is moving bullish, so we just avoid that and call it a day, because I told you never overtrade. After especially we have made some good moves. So after the 5 correct runs, trading the even digit, and we have scooped all of them as a success, we can call it a day and always get contented. Unfortunately, you can see this market is not retrieving behind to make let's wait for this. Let's wait for this candlestick. 14 seconds, 13 seconds. So let's wait for this candlestick. It seems maybe if it closes slightly double the EMA, I will run my boat. see. So let's be ready. This candlestick, let's wait for this one, which has started forming at 54 seconds, 53. Unfortunately, you can see it has moved up. So thank you for joining me here at TradeProFX. Remember, while trading even odd can be exciting and potentially profitable, it also requires skills and careful attention. So always prioritize risking management and refine your skills. Don't hesitate to reach out for more guidance. Happy trading, good luck on trading Deriv. So you can see that candlestick. I wanted to enter odd, so maybe you can enter at an odd market, because you can see the mass index, but unfortunately the mass index, the Coppock Curve, is still not showing us a good direction, and the candlesticks forming is moving and retrieving behind. So instead of risking, let's call it a day, and subscribe, share kindly guys to your friends. Let's call it a day. You can see the Coppock Curve, the mass index, how they are behaving. So with that, let's just not risk. We will proceed till next time. Bye bye, and subscribe, share, comment below any questions, and DM if you want more clarifications. And any questions I have said, comment below. Let's meet in the next video. Till next time, bye from here, from TradeProFX. Happy trading and good luck on Deriv. I thought I would have entered one trade from there, but it's unfortunate. Remember all what I've told you, and give focus on all what I've requested you to do to avoid losses trading even odd.